Greetings, this is Crypto Snake coming back to you with some trading tips. For this video, we will be covering dollar cost averaging and laddering. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is entering a position at several different prices to achieve the best possible average price, should your initial entry fail to bounce back up. Let's start with an example. So you've planned out your perfect entry. All of your technical analysis backs up your position, but the price hasn't rebounded, and it just keeps dropping below your entry. By the time it reaches the bottom, you're looking at 3% gains when you could have been looking at 10%, if only you saw the dip coming. How can you fix this? Laddering. Laddering is the process of scaling your buy orders as you would on the rungs of a ladder, giving you the best possible average entry to your position and potentially more profit in the long run. Laddering also serves another purpose. If you're playing with a very large sum, it can be difficult to trade altcoins and fill your entire position at one price level. Laddering in your positions allows you to move a large amount of capital into your position without drastically affecting the price. How do we create a laddered entry? Creating a ladder is simple and can be done on any exchange, but for this video, we will be again using Binance. First, pick any coin of your choosing. Under the buy section, Binance offers some very useful tools for laddering. The use of the 25, 50, 75, and 100% buttons allows us to quickly divide our portfolio into sections for different entry positions. Simply select your preferred button depending on how many rungs you would like to use on the ladder, and click Buy to post each order. You may place as many or as few rungs on your ladder as you would like. What if the price bounces back before hitting all of my laddered positions? That may happen, but you will still have achieved the best possible price to bounce back from. Although your entire capital may not be on the position, it is better than losing money. At this point, you can decide if you would like to throw the rest of your money into this position, raising your dollar cost average slightly, or leave it out for other opportunities. That's all for this trading tip on dollar cost averaging and laddered entries. If you have any questions or you would like to see a specific video done, please comment below. Also, please join us in my free Telegram group at t.me/cryptosnakepit for insight into my overview of the market, trading tips, advice, and sneak peeks into my personal entries and exits. Information on how to join in the description below. This is Crypto Snake, signing off.